This time I want to show you how tables work. So during my research, I found out that there are three types of Artemis mission. So I'm going to document what those are. I click into the body and I click the table icon. And when you click the table icon, you can then select the size of the table that you are looking for. And in this example, I'm going to do 3. NoteDex then inserts a table and positions the cursor in the first cell of that table, just like in Word. And now we can modify this table. If I click in the table, we have a number of options for the table. This is header table coloring. This is to insert or delete a row. This is to insert or delete a column. This is to color the cell, to delete the table, alignment, and dashed or arrowed borders around the table. What I'm going to do now is click the table header, and you can see it's given a gray area and inserted an extra line. So this is sort of just to make the table look nicer. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say mission 1, mission 2, and mission 3. And just for the sake of completing a table, I know that mission 1 is unmanned orbiting moon. The next mission is manned orbiting moon. And the third mission is manned landing on moon. And when I say man, I know that you all know that it will actually be a female and a person of color. Moon, which I'm very excited about. Okay, so you can see how tables work. And I'm going to click save. If I click outside the table at the bottom, I can have my cursor again.